Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 423 different strategies, with 134 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 322 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,051 indicators, with 439 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says, better than Bollinger Bands, discover Vervoort Smoothed %B. And so we're going to put the strategy to the test like we normally do, see what we can get out of it. Now, interesting enough, it's kind of hard to know whether or not the Vervoort, I think I'm saying that correctly, could be wrong. Anyways, it's kind of hard to know whether or not it's better than the Bollinger Bands, because they ultimately end up putting the Bollinger Bands with it for this strategy. But what we'll do is the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Vervoort Smoothed %B. And it's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. It'll look like this here at the bottom. Everything stays on the default settings. Nothing gets changed. The next indicator we will add to the screen, like I said, is the Bollinger Bands. And so it's going to be just the standard built-in TradingView Bollinger Bands, and it'll be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Again, everything stays on the default setting, and so nothing needs to be changed. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for when the Bollinger Bands and the Vervoort break outside of the lower band. So price breaks below the lower band of the Bollinger Bands right here. You can see it actually starts breaking below that lower band up here, but then it continues to make that break to the downside. Then you can see at the same time here, the Vervoort indicator is also breaking to the downside below that lower band right here. And then what we're going to do is we're looking for the first green candle to close and close back within the Bollinger Band. So this one right here as an example. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. So we'll put our trade there, we'll put our stop just right there, and put our stop, take profit, at a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. A nice steady push to the upside gets us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we are looking for, so we're looking for when the price starts to trade above the Bollinger Band's upper band like this here. Now at the same time, we want the Vervoort indicator to also be above that upper band like this here. And then we're looking for the first red candle to close back within the Bollinger Bands like it does right here. And that'll be the signal to then enter into a short. And we'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area. And we're going to target that same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. A really strong push to the downside gets us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 14 winning trades and 36 losing trades. That's going to put it at a 28% win rate. The 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $8,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,400 for an overall loss of $6,000 altogether. So definitely didn't help. The Bollinger Bands wasn't better than the Bollinger Bands either, at least not in this particular setup. And so the Vervoort was supposed to help the Bollinger Bands and help filter out some of the false signals, but it didn't seem to do that great of a job filtering those out. And so now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 11 trades altogether. We had 9 winning trades and 2 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 80% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $5,400. On the losing side, you would have lost $2,400 for an overall gain of $3,000 altogether. And so definitely better results. Now, if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, would it increase the win rate significantly? Your total gain would have been closer to the $5,000 mark, and so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. So just the other day, we closed out winning trade number 49. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now so that way you can take a look at that. It's using the Academy of Forex indicator, the crypto scalping strategy of that I mentioned just a moment ago, as well as the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons. And so that's 49 winning trades in a row, still maintaining the 100% win rate over almost 3 months now. In backtesting, this combination was so powerful, did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money-back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and look at the money-back guarantee right here. That's something you are interested in. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.